tonight we're gonna cook roast chicken for dinner. Now I make my own. I had lemongrass, ginger. I got garlic and onion. Put pepper, salt, and a bit of soy sauce. Alright, I put this in. I have this onions, garlic, and garlic, ginger, and onion. Put a little bit of soy sauce.
6 days without a new local COVID case has resulted in a relatively carefree premier. New historic infection wasn't going to break her stride.
The one locally acquired case is an old case from about 8 weeks ago. And this person was tested as a pre-work test assessment and found to have remnants of the disease.
Inside the chicken.
Borders broadly remain firm. The northern bubble was today extended to include 5 new government areas in New South Wales. It allowed many to cross the invisible line for the first time in months.
I haven't seen my daughter up until this morning for almost 2 months.
There you go.
Similarly,
It's just a massive weight off their shoulders.
but it wasn't a faultless operation. Technical issues plagued the system.
Just put them all inside the chicken for my stuffings, and I use this one. This is a wire, piece of wire,
There is a large parts of regional New South Wales that
and of the chicken so that
in some cases many months. So on board
my
was
stuffings
to have
won't
released
come
restrictions
out.
in those areas.
The Premier's indicated she'd
Yeah.
prefer to release all remaining restrictions in one go.
Well, that would be our preference, but we'll just have to wait to see what the guys see.
The health figures may be looking good, but unemployment continues to grow.
So that
Flight Centre
this
today
won't,
announced 91 stores
the
across the
stuffings
country will
won't
be
come
closed,
out.
resulting in hundreds more job losses.
We obviously need to right-size our business in the light of the government restrictions due to COVID.
Their industry-wide woes that won't be alleviated for some time. Lily Mayers, ABC News, Sydney.
There you go.
Aged care facilities will be given more funding and more staff to help control the spread of COVID-19.
Alright, all the stuffings are inside the chicken. So I spray them with olive oil.
During the debate, the President again
With
warned
salt.
he may not accept the outcome of the election because of mail-in ballots.
This
Good.
is going to be a fraud like you've
And
never
then
seen.
And with groups like the Proud
in
Boys
this wrap,
standing
this
by,
is a stainless
there are fears
one.
of voter
I'm gonna have
intimidation
to
at the
put
ballot box would come
the
over
chicken in
the
this so that
The President has warned the results of the
will
election may
stand
not be known for months. It could end up being
up
decided
in
in the
here.
Supreme Court. If so, he'll hope to have another hand-picked judge by then, and possibly occupancy of the White House until it's all sorted out. Philip Williams, ABC News.
There you
Washington.
go.
A bushfire survivor has become the face of the campaign, urging people not to
Up
be
you go.
complacent.
Chicken is
The RFS and Fire and Rescue
ready
New
to
South
go
Wales
in the oven. But roasting this here. Put this one. There. And then I make sure
Lost his home in Bateman's Bay
that
on New Year's Eve.
this one is on full for at least 45 minutes, and then I have to check on it, and then yeah, there you go. Thank you, thank you. There you go, my roast chicken is cooked already. I really deliberately leave it on for at least like another 20 minutes just to make it brown and crispy, and it's so yummy and juicy. Yeho! Dinner will be ready soon. Guys, look at this. I would like to share this to you. This potato, this is a brushed potato. I just stab this few times here with the knife. Yeah. And then and then both of them stab them with a knife, and then put them in the microwave for like at least 4 to 5 minutes, and spray them with olive oil, and just put them on in the microwave for like 5 minutes, and yeah, all done. Just put butter on it and things, and it's all cooked nicely. There you go. Put them for like 5 minutes, and just keep checking it, and yeah, be already nice and cooked. Yep. All right. So all right, guys, these are the potato that I put in the microwave, and so what I'm gonna do with this, go like that, and then I just put butter on it inside, like that.
Look, baby. Look, baby.
Yes. Slice in there. Open it up. And just put butter in it inside, and yummy. And try it, guys. Then just sprinkle it with salt and pepper. Nice. There you go. Alright, it's all cooked now. I'm so happy. How did the chicken, roast chicken, turn up? I can smell the lemongrass and all the stuffings inside of it. Yeah, I really deliberately leave it for at least 20 minutes so that it will crispy up and leave it juicy, not dry inside, and it's yummy. Alright, I'm very happy with that. I just put it down full on for like 45 minutes, and then I turn it down up to 150 for at least another hour, and yeah, there is it. It's cooked now. Shane, could you please ready the table? The chicken is ready. Hooray! And the vegetables are all, look at that. I had steamed vegetables here, sweet potato, broccoli, green beans, carrots, cauliflower, and the baby peas. Yep, it's all good. I don't want to be overcook all these. I want retain all the vitamins of these vegetables. Yes, my kids love eating vegetables. It's on the table. It's ready. How are you, Shine? Hi, darling. Smile. Oh, the chicken is all good, all cooked. Alright, alright. Well done. Enjoy your dinner.